Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix split screen on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue on any iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share and like my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to split screen on iPhone? You have recommended app from this solution. You have opened the App Store. Then you have search from here. So split screen. So you have split screen, third number option, then click here. So you have first app split screen. So you have download from App Store on your iPhone. So then you have download from here. So you have usage. So you have open from open on iPhone. So you have click, then is open. So you have uh, for example you have then go back from here. I will check the review. So you have open screen app on your iPhone. Then you have first screen, then you have play for Google. Then you have see from here. So you have for example then you have Pakistan versus Netherlands T20. In this time not play T20 ODI World Cup. So you have from for example searching. So you have search from here. Then you have second screen. Then you have open the YouTube. So you have this open the YouTube on the screen. Then you have first screen. Then you have Google. Then second screen is play YouTube. So see on my iPhone. So you have a split screen working 100%. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.